it's Victor here once again, and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen, where we cook Filipino favorites and more. About a week ago, me and my buddy checked out the Flying Beaver restaurant and bar here in the airport area of Vancouver, and they have a special for their chicken wings, and I ordered the honey garlic flavor, and it was so delicious. And so I said I have to recreate it in my own kitchen here today. And my version is gonna be finger licking good. It's gonna be sticky and really delicious. So stick with me until the end of this video. So let's get started. For my honey garlic chicken, I'm using 420 grams here of chicken wings, and I've already brined them for 2 hours. You know, it's good to brine your chicken. Now, in order for our chicken to be really tasty inside and out, we are going to marinate it. And so to this chicken, I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar here. You can use white vinegar if you don't have any balsamic vinegar. And then for color, I'm gonna use about a teaspoon here of Spanish paprika. And I want a hint of lime in my chicken wings, and so I'm gonna add half a tablespoon here of lemon pepper. I'm also gonna add a teaspoon of dried thyme and half a tablespoon here of granulated garlic. And I'm gonna use my bare hands here to massage them all together. I'm gonna wash my hands. For best tasting chicken wings, it's good to marinate this overnight in the fridge, but I don't have that time right now. I'm just gonna do this for 30 minutes, and that's the minimum that you need to marinate your chicken wings. But before I stick this in the fridge, I'm gonna cover it with a cling wrap. So while my chicken wings are marinating in the fridge, I'm going to finely mince my 10 cloves of garlic here. This is quite a lot. I just want my chicken to be really garlicky. This is supposed to be honey garlic chicken anyways. So my garlic is done here, and this is how I like my garlic to be. It's more like the texture of a coarse salt. I just want it to be as fine as it is, that it will just easily blend with the sweet sauce. This is good, and I'm just going to set this aside for now. It's been 30 minutes, and I just took out my chicken wings from the fridge, and they're ready for grilling in my oven. And for that, I'm going to be using my crisper here. If you don't have any crisper, just use your baking sheet. Just line it up with a foil and brush oil or butter in it so that your chicken will not stick into your foil. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to brush oil in my crisper. I just want to make sure that my chicken wouldn't stick to the grill and my crisper here. And I'm just going to line up my chicken wings in my crisper here. And I'm going to grill this in my oven for 10 to 12 minutes on each side. That means after 10 to 12 minutes, I'm going to flip them over to the other side. And I'm going to keep this marinade here for my sauce later. While my chicken wings are grilling in the oven, I'm going to make my honey garlic sauce. And I'm going to be using this pan here, and now that it's nice and hot, I'm going to add a teaspoon of oil in it. And now that my oil is hot, I'm going to add my minced garlic. I'm going to let it wilt. And now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm going to turn down the heat here to medium-low. And then to this I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of pure honey. And then I'm going to add my excess marinade. And I want for my sauce to thicken here, I'm going to add my slurry, which is just a mixture of water and a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Just going to add it in. And I'll season it with a pinch of salt and sprinkle a little bit of crushed pepper, which is optional, and a drop of sesame oil. I'm going to give this a stir. And I'm going to give it a quick tasting here. It's perfect. So this is good. I'm going to set this aside for now while waiting for our chicken wings to finish grilling. And I'll be right back. So I just took out my chicken wings from the oven, and this is perfectly grilled right now. And I just did it for 10 minutes on each side. And now it's ready for me to add into my honey garlic sauce here. So what I'm going to do is to just pour in my chicken wings here and give it a really good sauce. So this one is good. I'll plate it up and serve. Hi guys, I'm back here with my final product, my honey garlic chicken wings. And I gotta say that this is the easiest way to do it. Just grill it after marinating your chicken and then make your sauce, honey garlic sauce, and there you go. You have a delicious finger-licking honey garlic chicken. And this is the best part because I'm gonna be tasting it right now. I'll use my bare hands. It's really good, sticky, finger-licking good, honey garlic chicken. So I hope you guys will give it a try yourself. And once you do, please let me know what you think about your own version of it by writing down your comments in the comment section below. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching today, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.